अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग? ठीक है बेटा। अच्छा बेटा, आपके लिए मैंने दो कहानियां पहले लिखी थी, हार्ड वर्किंग इज की टू सक्सेस और दूसरी थी ट्री। आज जो कहानी आपके लिए मैंने लिखी है वो है स्कूल टॉपर। इस कहानी में जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो अपने टीचर से पूछते हैं कि वो स्कूल के अंदर टॉपर कैसे बने, उसकी क्या वजूहात थी। तो इसमें जो टीचर है वो ये बता रहे हैं कि वो कैसे कामयाब हो गए। तो इज अ डायलॉग बिटवीन स्टूडेंट्स एंड द टीचर। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। टीचर: अस्सलाम वालेकुम माय स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? स्टूडेंट्स: वालेकुम सलाम सर, आई एम फाइन। टीचर: आई एम फाइन, टेल मी व्हाट डू यू वांट टू लर्न टुडे? Students: sir, today can you please tell us one of your story? Teacher: sure my dear, today I will tell you a story of how I became a topper of my school. Those were the days when the Second World War was just over. Everyone was waiting for our independence, all freedom fighters. Like all the freedom fighters, even I want to do something for my country. For this I have to study in a good school. Since I was from a poor family, I knew my parents will not be able to afford the fee. So I did not dare to even ask them. One day, while I was studying, my mother came to me and said, "Your mother and I are not highly educated, but we know you want to pursue higher studies. We have great dreams for you, Abdul. Don't worry, we will somehow manage the fee so that you can study in a good school. Which school do you want to go to? I want to join School of Excellence, which is near Lahore. Of Abdul: okay, I will manage something, but Abdul, you will have to study hard and make us proud. Yes, I will do my best. My brother took me to the school and completed the formalities of the admissions. It was very good school. Classrooms were big and had benches for all of us. Teacher used the blackboard and chalk for teaching. Sports activities were also encouraged in the school. During the hot days, the teacher used to take us outside the classroom to study. The students were made to sit under the tree and study. We would from one tree to another when we had to change our classes. One day I was in a hurry, so by mistake I stepped into the wrong classroom where my maths teacher was taking a class. He looked at me and said, "Abdul." Teacher: yes, Abdul. What do you want? Sir, I have come to attend my class. Abdul's teacher: can't you see this is not your class? Sorry, sir. Abdul's teacher: what are you doing in this school? In this school, if you can't even find your way to right class, you should just go back to the village where you came from. All the students were looking at me and laughing. Teacher then started hitting me with a stick in the front of the whole school and whole class even. Oh, sir, please do not hit me. I will never do it again. I was sad. I also felt some sick. I wanted to go back home, but then I thought my parents have made great sacrifice to send me to this school. I have to make my parents proud. I made a promise to myself from the day onwards. I will not only be a good student, but I will the best. I studied day and night. A few weeks later, we had a math exam, which was conducted by that same maths teacher. I wrote all the answers correctly. After a few days, the maths teacher declared the results. Abdul's teacher: you scored out of 100. Usman: you have scored 70 out of 100. Mona: you have scored 80 out of 100. Abdul: what do you think? How much you have scored? Sir, I wrote all the answer correctly. Please tell me how much I have scored. You have scored 100 out of 100. Full marks. Very good, Abdul. Thank you, sir. My dreams of scoring full marks in the math exam was finally completed. I was happy. The next morning, during our assembly, all the students and the teachers had gathered. The same teacher who had punished me smiled and said, "Whoever I punished became a great man." All the students laughing. He then recalled what had happened. Now I will tell everyone how happened. Now I will tell everyone how Abdul has scored full name. All the students were listening carefully. The teacher pointed at me and said, "Remember my words. This boy is going to bring glory to his school and the teachers." His words of the praise made up for the earlier emulations. I was happy. All the teachers and the students started clapping. After that semester, I went back to my village for holidays. My entire family was happy. My parents hugged me with joy. My brother patted on my back to encourage me. I finally felt that I had done something worthy. But there was still a lot to be achieved. So students, this was the story of the how become a topper of my school. All students said, "Sir, from today we will also study hard and try to come first." Yes, sir. Even I will try to become the topper of my school and make my parents proud. Very good, my students. बेटा आपने देखा कि अब्दुल ने कैसे स्कूल के अंदर टॉप किया और उसने दिन रात मेहनत की और अपनी टीचर्स की बातों पर अमल किया. बेटा यही आप लोग भी कर सकते हैं. आप लोग भी दिन रात मेहनत करें, अपनी टीचर्स की बातों पर अमल करें, तो बेटा फिर आप भी स्कूल के टॉपर बन जाएंगे. आई होपफुल कि आपने ये स्टोरी एंजॉय की होगी. इंशाल्लाह एक नई स्टोरी के साथ फिर मैं हाजिर होऊंगा. आपका टीचर सरफरान. थैंक यू वेरी मच. अल्लाह हाफिज.